my channel. I've got a packet of yarn and today we're gonna unpack it together. I've got this package of yarn yesterday and I wait one day till I can unpack it. So I'm just eager to know what I ordered here because I already forgot what I have in my cart. When you order a yarn, you always want more and more, and it's always not enough yarn. What I love about this yarn shop, because they can try to suit big amount of yarn in a small package. So I ordered 2 balls of Alize Velluto. I would like to make huge baby, I would like to make a turtle. I want to make a jumbo turtle or maybe giant turtle. I'll see. It will be the body color, and I have in my collection the color of shell. I think it will be cute. So next. Alize Velluto in yellow color. Look how gorgeous. Like color of a sun itself. Or maybe color of sunflower. Amazing color. What I love about crochet is that you can choose any color you ever wanted. And so many of them are gorgeous. Next, Himalaya Dolphin Baby and Alize Velluto in milk color, I guess. The producer indicates that for Alize Velluto we need hook number 8 till 10. Yeah, I think if someone uses hook number 8 or 10, the toy will be giant. It will be really huge. I think this package, almost all balls of yarn will be Himalaya Dolphin Baby. But I'm not sure. Next colors. Yeah, it's the whole package of Himalaya Dolphin Baby. Oh, look at this lavender color. Great, great, great. I love it. I just look on this yarn and I see what will be the amigurumi. Himalaya Dolphin Baby in raspberry, I guess, color. And for Himalaya Dolphin Baby, producer indicates that we need hook 4.5 millimeters. And it is exactly as I use, because I saw many people that use hook number 4 or hook number 5, but I use hook 4.5. And I want to show you what I crochet Himalaya Dolphin Baby. This cute bunny. Also cute bunny. Oh, this bunny was made from Himalaya Dolphin Baby, except the heart. Heart is, I don't remember, it's some plush yarn with lyrics. And this one was made from Himalaya Dolphin Baby colors. And look the difference. It's the same pattern, but Himalaya Dolphin Himalaya dolphin colors a bit bigger yarn. And look, the pattern all the same, except the ears. If you wanted to make bigger ears, you just need to use bigger hook number. Also, I ordered additional hooks. It's hooks which I use every day, so I would like to make some crochet kits in my Etsy shop, because you ask me in comments what the better materials for beginners I advise. So I decided to make the crochet kit for my video tutorial for such turtle, and it will be in such colors. It will be for main color, like for hat and house, and this would be for shell. I think the combination of color suits very well for turtle. I think it will be gorgeous. Also, I have here a safety eyes, but I think I will show you it closer. Also, I want to show you this turtle. I made this turtle but in plush yarn I used hook number 4.5 and yarn Himalaya Dolphin Baby. I just want to show you what the difference between the plush yarn and the cotton yarn, but I just want you the difference if you use a plush yarn but the same pattern and bigger hook. Look at this! This turtle is huge! Wow! And I also want to make another pattern for turtle, exactly for plush turtle, because I think the head need to be much bigger. But I like the shell and I like the paws, and maybe I just remade the pattern for the head. How do you think? Can I leave the turtle body like this and only make a new head? I mean the head for a new pattern, not for this turtle, because this turtle turns to be cute. Don't you think so? Yeah, let's continue our unpacking. Also, this color I ordered for a small bear, but I thought the color will be a bit different. So, how do you think, is it great for a bear? And this color is for bunny. For bunny will be cute, I think. But this color is such an amazing, and it's very unusual. We continue. This color I ordered for a new turtle, and this color is for shell. It will be the turtle with surprise on its shell, so I hope you like it. Oh, this color is super cute. I don't know how it goes, but look at this. Oh my gosh, I already want to crochet. Oh. So another yellow color and another color for, I ordered this color for cat. I think the cat will be the size of this bear, but the face will be different and ears, because it will be a cat, you know. And I would like this cat to have a red in its hands. This red crocheting in one detail, even ears. All you need to sew is eyes, nose, and hands. Hands and paws. Hands and legs. Or you can not make these legs. And I show you the yellow color and the brown color. I ordered this for this bear because I would like this bear to have in hands the jar of honey. If you watch my YouTube channel, you may see the pattern on this honey jar, and I would like to remake this pattern in plush yarn. I know it's gonna to be absolute new pattern, but it's like an example, and I want to have this bear to have it in hands, and this bear could be customizable, and here I can embroider someone's name or maybe a cute phrase. So I think it would be really cute and gorgeous gift for someone. I also have ordered these 3 milk colors. It's gonna be a unicorn of my own design. It's long time I thinking of design my own pattern of unicorn, and if it's turned out as a picture in my head, it would be gorgeous. You know, because I don't like to make a scratch for my amigurumis. I'm not a great artist, and I prefer to paint with threads. 3 pairs of safety eyes. And the mountain of yarn. And hooks that I already showed. Also, I have made octo, this octo. I have an idea that we can make it together in live translation. If you like this octo, we can make it together here on my YouTube channel. What the main idea is that you can choose the yarn color and the safety eyes color too, and then I crochet in that color, and I will use the safety eye that you choose. I think it's a very interesting idea. Please write down in comments if you would like to make with me this octo, or maybe you would like to chat live. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video and you like videos on my channel. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to subscribe, like the videos, comment and share with it with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.